I might just talk about the situation based from what I hear or from what I see on the YouTube or on the news. No? But right now, I myself is a farmer. We are
Hmm.
full time. I'm a full time
Oh, wow.
co-founder and a farmer. So the state of agriculture here is, to be honest, right now the price of all the commodities is times three or
Oh,
even times four. So I would say Cebu on the side, Cebu is food insecure. I should say
oh. Mahal ang mga fruits and vegetables.
they've been relying supplies from other regions,
Oh, I see.
and with regards to state, it becomes more challenging. We have just passed, I don't know, a 2 month, 3 month El Nino, and you can see there up on the mountain who supplies uh, vegetables here.